All right, today's project, we're in the bathroom actually. Herdio, one of our channel sponsors, had a new product. They reached out to us and wanted to let us test their new set of speakers. The last set went in the garage. I told my wife we're having a new set coming in, and she suggested that we put them here in the bathroom so we can listen to them while she's getting ready or taking a bath, taking a shower. We can jam to our tunes. So this set here, it's a new 3.5 inch. It's much smaller than the ones we put in the garage. These are white, so they'll match the paint in the bathroom better. There'll be a little more camouflage. I told her if she wants them in the bathroom, she's gonna have to help me out today. So she's gonna be helping us with the installation. And let's get started.
All right.
Good job. All right, let's do a quick unboxing here. There's not a whole lot in the box, so it'll be fast, but this is the new Herdio, new product that they released. It's a 3.5 inch, three-way indoor-outdoor speakers, Bluetooth. The model I've got here is the HE HOS-301. We got it in white because the location we want to put this one is here in our bathroom. But you get a very minimalistic manual. Just shows the wiring. I mean, you're basically just plugging this thing into an outlet and then tying the two speakers together. There is an auxiliary 3.5 inch audio input jack that you could use to plug this in directly to a phone, so you didn't go to Bluetooth, or you can plug it in as PC speakers or maybe into a home audio video system if you wanted. We won't be using that option here in our application in the bathroom here. We're just going to have it up on the ceiling, so we won't be having anything plugged into that. So you get the two speakers, significantly smaller than the ones we put in the garage. If you remember those, they were quite a bit bigger. These will be plenty large enough for our small bathroom here. There's your, it is 12 volt DC input power, but it's powered by one of these little wall wart powered packs. I'm actually going to be tying that into a light fixture in the ceiling so that I can turn them on and off from the light switch. And then over here on the left, you've got the auxiliary input jack. Does not come with any connection for that. You would have to pick up your own 3.5 millimeter audio. I assume it's a stereo audio input jack that you plug that into your phone or whatever device you were going to use. This is the powered unit. It's got the amplifier and the Bluetooth receiver in it. And then this speaker output goes to the other speaker. So this one's the passive speaker. So on the back of it, you only have the speaker input jack to connect to the amplified speaker. Another thing you got in the box, of course, is the little wall wart that I already showed you. It's a 12 volt 3 amp output. It is compatible with 100 volts up to 240 volts AC, depending on where you're at in the world. You get a length of speaker wire to connect the amplified speaker up to the passive speaker, and this wire is approximately 10 feet in length. And you get a small bag of hardware. It's basically just a nut and a bolt with some washers that probably won't be suitable for every application. I won't be using these to attach the brackets to the ceiling. I'm just going to use some drywall screws. Now let's do a quick test of these. One of the, probably the only complaint for their previous models was that when it would connect to your device via Bluetooth, it was a fairly loud voice that would say Bluetooth is mode connected. And there was no way to adjust that volume. So they've told me that they reduced that volume. So let's test this out and see how loud that volume is when it connects to Bluetooth. All right, so let's plug it into power and see how loud that voice response is.
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, it is significantly quieter than the previous model, so that's really good upgrade. All right, let's go into our Bluetooth connections on the phone. And down here at the bottom, I'll do a screen overlay of this. You've got our available devices, HOS-301. And then it wants to know if I want to pair with the HOS-301. Hit OK.
Connected.
So yeah, that's very much better with the reduced volume. Definitely appreciate that. All right, let's get busy and get set up for the installation. All right, so let's take a look and see where we want to put these in how we're going to do the installation in this room. In our bathroom, we have one light right above the shower. Okay, so we got a switch over there. Okay, go ahead. It turns on and off that light. So what I'm going to do is put the powered speaker right over in that area, and then we'll be able to power it off that light. So whenever we want to turn on the speakers, all we got to do is turn on that switch right there. So it won't be on all the time. And then the passive speaker, we'll probably put it right over here on this wall. So that's the game plan. So I'm going to get the tools out. Got the ladder in here already, so we'll climb up and mount these brackets. Should be pretty quick installation. So first thing we're going to do is Peggy's going to go up and mark where the stud is so we know where to attach the speaker bracket. So she's going to go up there in the stud finder and see if we can mark it.
Just a little sketch.
Get that real stable ladder for her.
Whoa.
Whoa. Perfect. All right. I think I missed it. Dang it.
Hey, you don't want that on video. Okay, we're done with that, right?
Yeah, well, we might need the pencil again, but yeah, let's mount the bracket up there. Okay, let's see, what do I do with my screws?
I just missed a step going down, that's all. No big deal.
All right, here's your pencil. If you can kind of eyeball where you're gonna want it, and then you could mark it with the pencil. Almost right where the lines are, huh? So if you just go right between those two lines, I think that'll be fine.
So, okay.
Get out.
Okay, I totally got this. Okay, where's the bracket?
Okay, so you got enough of it. Okay, let's get the bracket.
You should be over here to catch me.
Yeah, just lightly trigger it. Yeah. Now scoot it over to the left. There you go.
Huh? Good?
Yep. All right. You're hired.
I'm hired. You can't fire me.
Close your mouth.
Oh, it's all down my shirt.
Good job.
Good?
I think so. Now we gotta mount this other one. Then I gotta figure out how to power it.
More drywall down the shirt.
Yep, more drywall down the shirt. Okay, so this one we wanted to go kind of right here, right?
Mm-hmm. Mark right
Just,
there.
yeah, just make a little dot right there. That's probably the word. Yeah, that looks exactly where I would assume it would be. Okay, here's how you put the speaker wire in the little clips. Our wire just turned out to be just a little bit too short up in the attic, so we're just going to hook up a short piece here, and then she'll put it up through the hole in the roof, and then I'll hook it up in the attic and just give them a little tug test to make sure they don't pull out. Okay, good. All right, so you can get up there and you can put them up. You like it?
Yeah.
All right.
Good.
Awesome.
Whoa. I almost fell through the wall. Did you see that?
All right, now you just got to go up and wire up the power cord to it. All right, speaker's connected. Now I'm going to go try to get the 120 volt AC connected. I've just got a little extension cord stub that I plan to tie into the junction box so I can just plug it in. Okay, so we finally got it all hooked up. I got it hooked up in the attic. That little extra speaker wire I had to extend, and then I got it tied. I put a receptacle on that light up there above the shower. You guys saw some of that. I didn't show a lot of detail on that. If you need to, if you're not sure about how to hook up to 120 volt, if you don't have a receptacle to plug it into, just make sure you get a licensed electrician to come to your house and hook that part up if that's the way you need to do it. When I did the one in the garage, I already had a receptacle, so I could just plug it in. With this one, I actually tied into the electrical box for the light, and I showed you some of that up in the attic where I just put an extension cord addition to that. So now it's tied to that switch. When we did the little test after I did the unboxing, I already bound to it, so go ahead and turn the switch on for that, and we'll listen to it.
Bluetooth mode.
Say connected, or did I already turn it off?
Connected.
Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's connected to my phone now. Just to avoid copyright infringement, I'm just going to play one of my YouTube videos that has some music in it, because I don't want to play licensed music. Let me find a recent video. Oh, this one has some music in it. Let me get to a better part with some better music. Let's see, where's some time lapse here? There you go. Sounds pretty good. And that's just a video clip, so it's not the super high fidelity music, but All right, there we go.
Cool.
Works pretty good.
Nice.
Now we can have fun while you're in the tube. You can play some, or in the bathtub, you can play some relaxing music.
Good one.
All right. Well, if you're interested in these speakers, there'll be some links in the description below where you can pick these up from Herdio. This is a new brand, new model. I'm not 100% sure if these are on the website yet. I'll pull it up while I'm doing this video, while I'm editing it, and take a look if they're available yet, because this is a new model for them. It did come out a little while ago, and I've had these for a little bit, but unfortunately we've had some setbacks. We've been sick a little bit, so it took us a little while to get this video out. So anyway, check the links below for the affiliate links if you're interested. Just full disclosure, they did send us these speakers for no charge. So, but they didn't. They're not reviewing this video before we post it. So these are an honest review of what it is. But we've got past experience with these speakers in the garage, so they're great speakers. If you're interested, it's a nice affordable option for you to get some easy speakers, and all you got to do is plug them into power. We kind of did it a little more involved, where we wanted to hide all the wires and then the way I wanted to hook up the power to it. But if you have a simple place to plug them in, it can literally take you just 5-10 minutes to really just plug them in if you just want a simple installation. Our installation is a little more permanent, so it took a little bit longer. But anyway, thanks for watching, and take care.
Bye.